Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. We're at the show centre and you're getting this video because you've already got a garden room and you've already got a canopy, and we've got a great new addition that we can offer you to retrofit for your canopy. So the great new addition is a Markilux Wind Break. We've got one fitted here at the show centre, and it's an electric windbreak. You can have one, two or three sides to encase it. It's a really lovely product. We're now trained to fit these, so it'll be some of our team coming out, and it's a great retrofit which we've done here. Kept it in the dark kind of anthracite colours here, but there's about 200 different material colours and 7 different frame colours, so you can have a real pop of colour. You can even have a window section put into that if you've got a hot tub in there and you want to have the protection but still get a bit of light in. So it's a really great new addition. Markilux are a real great brand, industry standard. We're now really proud to work alongside them. And what a lovely option. You can even leave this down during the winter to actually stop all the leaves blowing in and stuff like that as well. So really, really nice option there for you. If your canopy's 3 meters deep like this one, we can do that for 2,950, including the break itself, installation and the electrics that you need for that, and it's all of our own Baker's team, the ones that you would trust to come and do that for you. If you're around 4 meters deep, we're at £3,180, so not too much more. That all includes VAT, and you can have this up and running in around about 6 to 8 weeks from order. So if that's of interest, please let us know. Contact us, Rob, who's behind the camera today, or myself, and we'll be a pleasure to help in you installing your brand new Markilux windbreak. Thank you.